Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Nancy Chu from Proactive Chiropractic, and I'm so excited to make this video with Dr. Nicole over here about Achilles pain. So with no further ado, I'll let her talk about Achilles.
Okay, so the Achilles is one of my absolute favorite things to treat. It is a common issue with a lot of runners and sometimes soccer players or athletes who are doing more endurance sports or jumping sports. And so your Achilles is made up of two muscles that attach to your calcaneus here, and these muscles work really hard every time you're pushing off your toe. And so sometimes if these tissues get inflamed, it causes what's called a tendonitis, which is acute inflammation of the tendon, which attaches the muscles to the bone. And so there's some really, really good exercises to help strengthen the muscle, but also keep it lengthened. And so we're actually going to head over to our clinic around the corner, and my coworker, Dr. Mark, is going to walk through some exercises to help get you guys started. Here he goes.
Yay.
Hi, I'm Dr. Mark from Renew Physical Therapy here in San Francisco, and today I'm going to talk about Achilles pain. So, two things that you can do to help with improving Achilles pain is lengthening some of the muscles that attach to the tendon and also progressively loading the tendon. So it sounds counterintuitive, but our tendons actually respond really well to load. And you don't want to overload it and you don't want to underload it. So what you need to do is reduce some of your training volume and then add in these two exercises I'm going to give you along with the two stretches I'm going to give you. So we're going to start with the stretches. So you're just going to go and set up against the wall, and you're just going to go ahead and step back with the knees straight. Get a calf stretch right here, and then come back up. And then you're going to step out a little bit to the side here. Same thing, toes straight forward. Get a calf stretch. And last one, across the body, a little bit different of a calf stretch. And just repeat that. The next thing you're going to do is the same thing, but with the knee bent. And this is going to target a different set of muscle groups because some of the muscles cross the knee. So when we bend the knee, we target the ones that only cross just the ankle and foot. The next thing you're going to do is load the tendon. So we have to load both those muscle groups. So we're going to do this exercise with the knee straight and with the knee bent. So one of the exercises that really helps with Achilles pain is targeting eccentric loading. So what we're going to do is just that. So we're going to have you go up on a step like this. You're going to use, if your left side is where you have the pain, you're going to be doing just a single leg, kind of drop down calf raise on that side. You're going to use both feet to kind of lift you up like this. You're going to switch over to the painful side, slowly lower down. Then you're going to assist with the other foot, bring yourself back up, and slowly lower down like that with the knee straight. And this is going to accentuate some of the muscles that cross both the knee and the ankle. This you want to start with a low number of reps and then work up to a high number of reps, even up to 100 reps a day. Then the next one, to target the ones that just cross the ankle joint and not the knee, we'll do the same thing as we did with the stretch. We're going to do knees bent, lift up with both feet, and then slowly lower down to load that part of the tendon.
Okay, thank you so much, Mark. That was really informative and helpful, and I think those exercises are great ways to help get our athletes and our clients on track with their Achilles pain. So if you guys have any questions or specific problems with these exercises, feel free to reach either Dr. Chu or myself via our websites below, and
We're happy to meet you. So if you're having any of these issues after doing these exercises for about a week or two and still not seeing any improvements, please come in so I can check out your feet, knees, hips, anything that is associated with these Achilles pain.
Perfect. Thanks so much for having us.